school today?
It's pretty good.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
What's in the bag?
All the dinosaurs,
What else?
a doctor things.
Let's see. Do you know the name of it?
Yeah. Yeah, yes, sip it. Yes, take this dinosaurs and hand doctor.
Let's see what's in the bag.
All the doctor things. No, no.
Okay, let's see the first thing.
What is this?
What is that?
A Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
And what is this? T-Rex.
Let's see the T-Rex. Wow.
And what is this? A Triceratops.
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 Yeah.
Correct?
Correct.
And a dinosaur Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Then a truck.
What kind of truck is it?
It's big and it goes to Santa gets away and it's gonna go.
But what's the name of that truck?
I know.
It's a plow.
Criminal.
It's a plow.
A plow. And what is this?
What is that?
A bird.
What kind
Kind
of bird?
of a bird.
An owl.
And what does the owl say?
It says like this. Woo!
Ooh, ooh,
Woo! It is like this.
Right.
Correct?
Correct.
Then something else is
What else do you have?
Glasses.
What do glasses help you do?
A doctor feel better.
Do they help you see better?
Yeah, see better.
Okay, correct.
And what is this?
Show me. Is that for the dentist?
Yeah,
Is that a mirror?
to mirror. Ah! Get that out of my face!
What
And-
is that?
I don't know, a knife.
Yeah, but what's it called? A scalpel?
Yeah, it cuts the bananas.
Cuts the banana.
It cuts bananas? A scalpel?
You can
Yeah.
probably cut a banana with scalpel.
No, I'm gonna cut the bananas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like this one. Yeah, I want a banana.
Okay, what else do you have there?
I don't know. Some scissors.
What do you use the scissors for?
It cuts the hair.
It cuts hair.
Yeah, it cuts hair and then feels better.
What else can you cut?
The shirts.
Shirts and paper.
And pants. And pants, Daddy. And
Correct.
then
What else do you have?
This one. You see
What
it?
kind of a dinosaur is that?
A brachiosaurus.
Okay.
Is
Is that all that's in the bag?
Is that everything?
No. Only a boss. And what is this? A yellow and blue.
Show me the yellow.
Yellow and blue. I got another clown. I got another clown.
Is that like, let me see, is that like a clown nose?
Yeah. I like a clown. I like a clown. Oh, there he is. Is something else? Is this something else? Oh, this is a scuba diver thing.
Scuba diver equipment?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You see it?
Yes. What is this?
A band-aid.
What is the Band-Aid used for?
A boo-boo.
Let me see your hand.
Okay. No, dude, like this. Look. It can't fit on you like this. Like
No, it doesn't fit on all my fingers, too.
this. It's only two, like,
Or three.
or three.
Okay. You fixed my boo-boo. Thank you.
Welcome.
What is this?
A needle.
What goes in the needle?
It goes in a button like this. Ah! I want to do it on you, but I can do it on you, but
Whoa. All right, come over here.
okay.
All right, I think that's enough. Is that all that's in the bag today?
Yeah, you put them back, Mommy. I can't do it.
Okay. Start putting it in.
No, you are gonna tell me.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye, camera.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. And click that bell, watch that, and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell and watch that video, and subscribe and click that bell. And bye, guys. Bye.